Hi everyone, it's Andrea, and I'm here today to introduce you to the WunderKeys printable of the week. This week's printable is a quick, easy activity you can use during your pre-holiday lessons with your primer and level 1 students for some note reading fun. To find it, you'll want to head over to WunderKeys.com and click on Grow Your Studio. There you can choose to either subscribe for free access or enter your subscriber password and click on Enter. Once you do so, you'll be into our toolkit where you'll want to click on Members Only Printables, and then this will take you to our gallery. Now you'll see this printable first, but as we add more, you may need to sort. So sort by primer or level 1, and then Christmas to find this resource. Once you see it there, just click on it to open it, and then click on the image one more time to open the PDF. Inside the PDF, you'll see some instructions, you'll see some suggested matching resources, and the 2 game boards, one for treble staff, one for bass staff. In terms of how to use this printable in your studio, you'll want to first download it from the WunderKeys toolkit, and then you can choose to either print out several copies or you can laminate one for repeated use. Instead of using X's and O's as in traditional tic-tac-toe, your 2 players will instead be drawing notes on the staff as indicated above each grid. You can use notes from the C5 finger scale, or you can adjust to other settings on the staff as needed depending on your student's level. It's flexible. Repeat with the other tic-tac-toe grids on each page. And the same rules for tic-tac-toe apply. 3 in a row wins. You can send these home for extra fun with family during home practice time as well. It's a great opportunity for your piano students to explain note printing to their parents or their siblings. You can match this game with the perfect book. This goes along with WunderKeys Primer Book 2. This is the second book in our 3-book primer series that explores note reading in middle C and the C5 finger scales. And the all-in-one format includes technical exercises, games, repertoire, duets, and more. Now, while we were over in the toolkit, you probably noticed some other free printables for Christmas. Here are 3 of our most recent releases. The first is a score study printable you can use with your primer and level 1 students using their current piece for some note reading score study practice. The second is Jingle Bells for older beginners using our pop staff approach. And the third is our Jingle Jots blank staff paper for all of your holiday creativity. You'll find these printables plus over 400 more free in the WunderKeys toolkit. Subscribe for free access at WunderKeys.com. Enjoy!